Are cold drafts around your doors and windows making your home feel a bit chilly? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some quick, easy and even free ways to stop them. So hopefully by the end of this video, your home will be warmer and your heating bills will thank you. Let's get started. The first super quick and easy thing you can do is clean your frames and seals, because if you've got any dirt or debris stuck on your frames or on the seals, it can affect how your doors and windows close and you might be getting a draft coming in through there. So get yourself a microfiber cloth, a brush or even a hoover if you're doing the bottoms of the doors, and give them a good clean out. Another really important reason to keep your doors nice and clean when it comes to winter is that you've likely got a weather bar like this along the outside of your doors. Now, this stops the rain and the water from getting into your house. So it won't happen most of the time, but sometimes when you get really, really severe storms and lots of wind, water might find its way around this. And when it does, inside your door frame, you'll find that there's holes which then allow that water to drain away. Now, if those holes get blocked up with dirt and debris, then that system's not going to work properly and that water might start to find its way inside your property. And of course, we walk over our door frames all the time, naturally coming in and out of our houses. So there's a really good chance that those could get blocked up. So definitely worth your attention before winter sets in. The next really simple thing you can do if you have UPVC windows or doors is you should have a setting inside the doors which you can adjust to affect how tightly they seal. Now, some people on TikTok especially say that these are a summer-winter setting and it's a hack and you can change them. Whatever you want to call it, you should have this option, and you will see that there's a control here and it's got a little line, and depending on which way that's facing is going to depend how tightly your door or window is sealing. So if it's less tight, that might be summer mode, and if it's tighter, that could be winter mode. But the fact is, if you do notice that you've got particular drafts coming from any windows or doors, it's an easy thing you can try, and you can see if changing that helps the problem and gets rid of those drafts. So very simply, just find yourself a screwdriver, an attachment or an Allen key that fits into this hole, and then if you turn it towards the seal this way, then that will tighten it, and if you turn it away from the seal, it will loosen it. The third option you have is you can adjust the latch or striker plate. So if the latch isn't quite catching properly, you can loosen the screws and shift the striker plate just a few millimetres, and that little tweak can help seal the door or window properly again. Now, step 4 is very cheap or easy and quite surprising, and believe it or not, I've even been on the BBC News talking about this one and in national newspapers, and it's temporarily insulating your windows. This is a brilliant quick fix. You just cut bubble wrap or window film to size, and then you can stick it to the window by lightly moistening some water with a spray, and there you've added an instant layer of insulation, which, trust me, is actually really effective. I know it's not glamorous, but it works. Very, very simple. Don't forget about your letterbox. Sometimes these can be a really big source of drafts. So if you have a letterbox and it's letting the drafts in, then definitely consider just fitting a flap or brushes. Very, very easy to do, very cheap, and it can really dramatically improve this problem. So this one here, although it has got the brushes, that helps to some extent. It's missing the plate that covers over. Whereas this one has got the brushes inside, but it's also got the plate cover, so there's no wind coming in here. Now, if you've tried all of those steps and you're still finding that there's a significant draft or cold coming in around your window area, it may actually be the frames that's the problem. And one other simple thing you can do is you can actually caulk this gap here. So if you find around your windows or doors, you've got a gap there, that could well be letting cold drafts and air in. So a simple tube of caulk from your local DIY store, and you just need to smoothly run that down there, keep a cloth on hand at the same time, and you can fix that problem in no time. But if you do that and there's still a problem, and particularly if you feel the wall around your windows and doors and it feels significantly colder than the wall next to it, you feel like there's cold getting in, then your problem might actually be outdoors. So in the same way as it's possible your frames aren't sealed properly on the inside, it is also possible that's happening on the outside. You would hope that your door and window installers had done this as part of the installation process, but it's not impossible that it hasn't been sealed properly. In which case, if you do find there's a gap outside around your windows or doors and it's correlating with that cold, you may want to just pop a bit of sealant down there to make sure that you're keeping those drafts out. In the case of these doors, we actually had to move these crystals, there was a problem with them, and that final step did get missed off. That's on us, actually. So I'm going to pop a bit of sealant around there and help keep the drafts out this winter. So that's it. A few quick, easy and free adjustments to make your home warmer and more comfortable for winter. If you found this video useful, as always, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with anyone else that you think might find it useful too. And if you've got your own hacks to share, your own ideas, your own tips, please feel free to comment in the box down below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.